Okay, back for another video, same session. Let's see what this is doing here. I'm gonna pause the recording just because there's nothing really going on. Okay, so breaking short-term high here, just waiting for the close. If that happens, we can absolutely take the buy from here. Closed above all these highs. So this could be good. Even down here could be good. It's just the stop loss might be a little too big. Let's see. It's a little bigger. Could reduce it down to this. Let's see how much we have. Oh yeah, about 8 pips. I mean, we can take this as well. It's 8 pips. So like the bigger the stop, it's either we're going to reduce our size or we're going to increase our profit. So it's 8 pips, you know, we should be aiming for 16 at least. Again, if you're new, then just in and out. If it's in and out, then just take the same lot size and get in and out. If it doesn't go your, or sorry, if it's this big of stop loss, reduce your lot size and then still play the in and out strategy. And if you are okay with the 8 pip stop, you can just take your normal lot size and still play in and out, or try to double your SL, right? For me, it doesn't, like RR doesn't really matter. It's what I collected as far as risk to reward at the end of the day. So at the end of the day, however many pips I gain, that's all I care about, like my profit goal. I don't care about my R goal. People get so caught up in R when the whole point of trading is to make a profit. It's not to flex how much R you got. So we do have a doji block here. So many pips this is. 2 to 3, so I can lower this a bit. I can lower it down to like here, right? And this gives me about a 3-pip stop, so it's not bad at all. I mean, that's perfectly fine. Targeting up here for like 10 pips. Today, you can see the spread is a lot lower, right? Like the movements are a lot smaller. Like this to this is only 10 pips. You just got to be wary of like how the price action is for that day. You know, sometimes this small movement may look the same on a day where each of these candles are like 20 pips. Today they're really small, which is a good day to collect some pips. So, okay, so we're building up liquidity above all these highs, right? We have liquidity here, and we have liquidity here, and then we have this huge imbalance, all this to be filled. So we will place a buy here. And then if we can get to this doji block, it would be nice. Okay, coming to our entry point here. Yeah, this is like really choppy today. You can expect chop when we're in an inside day, right? Inside the previous day's candle. Okay, looks like barely missing our doji, unfortunately. Today's price action isn't the cleanest, to be honest with you. But it's good that you guys get to see like the price action on days of like chop or just really not good price action, because this is really not clean. You know what I mean? We start consolidating, that'd be nice to catch the buy here. Okay, we have a new doji block being formed here that made a new high. So we can take a buy from here as well. How many pips is this? It's 5 pips. Could take it down a little bit lower and give us like 5.8. Okay, so that's our next buy setup to run these highs up here. If we do get that, then yeah, if you're amateur or beginner, whatever, you can just take profits quickly. This would be your next high if you know how to hold the trade, and then if you're professional, advanced, whatever, you can target the high up here. I'm going to pause the video until we get those entries. Okay, so we have our entry here. Remember, if you're new, in and out, you're good. Okay, if you're advanced, we can hold it to here. Sorry, if you're mediocre, you can hold it to here. Beginner, in and out, just collect profit. That's all you want to do. A little more advanced, hold it to here, and professional, you're going to hold up to here. Okay. And the difference is like your account size and your whatchamacallit, level of level-headedness to take a loss, right? So here, you know, you get your little reaction off the doji block, in and out, you're done. You're in and out of that trade. Okay, US 30 coming into our zone here. Equal highs, so your first target should be here. Newbie, in and out, a little bit more advanced. Take profit here, and then ultimately here. Once you've built up enough data, you'll see how much you can hold the trade, which means, okay, when you're first starting, you want to just be in and out of these trades, right? You want to be in and out and see that you can actually be profitable at the end of the day, okay? Once you've established consistency with being in and out of trades, right? Because you're developing blue in your account. You're just constantly seeing blue because you're in and out of trades, you're not holding positions, and it's going to help you with your psychology, okay? Then once you get a little more advanced and you're tracking these every day you should be tracking like what's going on, right? And from there, once you've tracked everything and how many pips each move actually ran for, then you can get an idea of like, okay, like most of the trades that I'm taking run for about 10 pips, or most of the trades I'm taking run for about 10 to 15 pips, or most of the trades I'm taking are like 30 pips, right? And when you discover like how many pips you're actually able to hold for, then you can start aiming for the fences, right? Like for me personally, like most of my trades go for 15 to 30 pips, right? That I personally will put a huge lot size on, right? And I can hold for those levels. Now, depending on the market conditions, like today, I'm not going to be aiming for those high R trades like that. Like this is very in and out market because of the way the price action is moving. So for me, you know, I'm just going to be taking profits at, you know, whatever levels, like in and out of profits. But for here, you should already be out of this trade, right? Like you should, on this candle here, you should be out. Okay. And you can see how well these doji blocks work, right? And then US 30, we missed it by like literally just a tiny pip. For me, I enter market orders, so I probably would have caught this because I enter market, I don't enter limits. So I enter markets and I always have like a little bit of room for it to enter. And then I'm in and out of my trades all day. Okay, so once you get good, you can just start finessing these entries and getting in without missing, right? Without missing the trade. This one, fortunately, yeah, it went to our area, right? And you would have been in and out of this trade and you're good. And you've collected profits. We've been collecting profits all day if you've been in and out, okay? We don't care about massive rallies. Once you get good, then you can hold for a little bit longer. Okay, I'm pretty much going to wrap up this session because I have a lot more content to put into the course right now. But you guys will see this tomorrow from today, right? So the course launches tomorrow, and you'll see all of what happened today live. Like, I'm doing this live. This isn't like replay mode, right? This is all live. And you can see how things are panning out. Okay, so today, to be honest, was not the greatest day to trade, but just being transparent, I wanted to show you like how I do this live. Now I don't trade live like with my students because I need the focus. Like today, I didn't take any trades because I'm doing this for you guys. Like for me, it takes a lot more focus. And there's a lot of pressure when it comes to doing stuff live, right? And it messes up your psychology. So I just don't do it because I care about my money, right? And whatever edge I can get on the markets, whether it be with psychology or strategies, especially with psychology, I'm going to take that edge. Okay. And yeah, but I just wanted to show you this is how I would execute live on an actual market that hasn't happened yet, right? So this hasn't happened yet. Just to show you that this is like right now. Okay, it's Tuesday, May 18, 2021. Los Angeles time, 9:49 a.m. Okay, so just so you know that this is actually live. Okay, see why you want to be in and out of these trades? Okay, we're not trying to catch every single move in this market. We're playing logical levels that make sense, okay, and in and out of these trades. Okay, like I said, this one, you could have aimed for this or up here. If you're one of those people that has to use a limit, you would have missed this by a pip, like less than a pip, right? I would have just entered a market as it was coming into here and then just taking it because, I mean, honestly, it's like a tenth of a pip off, right? So 6 pips, whatever, is fine. And you would have taken here, and then the next level to buy from would be here because it caused the break here, right? So from here, and then targeting up here. Okay, so that's all for today. I got to get this content together for you guys. So we'll see you in the next video.